ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਦੇ ਥਰੂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਸੋਸ਼ਲ ਵਰਕਰ, ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸਮੈਨ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਐਸੀ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿੱਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਈਏ। ਸੋ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ ਮਨਦੀਪ ਕੌਰ ਸਿੱਧੂ। ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦ ਮਨਦੀਪ ਕੌਰ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਸ਼ੋਅ। ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਨੇ ਗੁਰਸੀਮਾ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਬ੍ਰਾਂਚ ਹੈਡ ਨੇ ਮਿਸ਼ਨਦੀਪ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ, ਵਿਚ ਇਜ਼ ਰਨ ਅੰਡਰ ਮਿਸ਼ਨਦੀਪ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਟਰਸਟ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ NGO ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਗੁਰਸੀਮਾ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਜੀ, ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦ ਸ਼ੋ।
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. It's really nice to interact with you. You being an iron lady, setting an example for this entire world. Thank you so much for inviting for your show.
Yes, I have not met her directly, but मैं सारे ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਚਾਹਨੀ ਕਿ she is the branch head of one of the school ਜੋ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ NGO ਦੇ under run ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। We have also done a shoe giving campaign there. She is a graduate in psychology. She is MA in English, and she has passion to write English poems. So ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਜ ਇੱਕ ਦੀ poem ਵੀ ਸੁਣਾਂਗੇ ਗੁਰਸੀਮਾ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ।
Thank you so much.
We would like to know from you all about your education.
I was, after doing my schooling from Sacred Heart, that is a convent school in Amritsar only, I thought I would like to become a doctor. So I joined the medical stream in Khalsa College. But then some interest got changed. I was more inclined towards society and study of the society. So I did my graduation in psychology and sociology. And then I did my majoring in English. I realized that English is my passion, but it was after quite long time that when I joined university, then I realized that English is my passion, and I just started writing poetry. It just happened.
Great. You are the branch head of one of the school which is running under a non-profit. So, like, how many students are there, and what are their family background?
Well, ma'am, we have 500 children. We take only 4 cases. You can say that BPL family is a thumb rule, below poverty line, but we take from class 6 up till graduation. So it is a 10-year education plan for a needy child. And 4 type of cases we take. Thumb rule, as we said, ki BPL family, but in BPL family, then we have one who is having 4 daughters. We adopt 1 daughter from the family. Then second, if father is not there. Third case is if mother, father, both are not, their child is an orphan. Or fourth case is if father is suffering from serious disease like cancer, AIDS, or paralysis, and there is no one to earn. You can say that 250 are the residential students, rocks to 250 to 245 something. You can say we have got the residential students, they stay with us.
Yes, so what kind of routine these students who are in the hostel, what kind of routine they have?
Well, ma'am, the routine is a bit similar to the other hostels. Like it starts in the morning by 5:30 or something. Everyone gets up. Then 1 hour is a meditation time. Everyone is supposed to go for the meditation. We have got a meditation room. They do the meditation and the prayer is there. And then after this, they having after their breakfast, their cup of tea. Then we have our buses. So the buses take them to the school campus. And then children, they study, and afternoon time they come back to the residential hostel, and then they have their activities. Because children has stay with us. The problem is, Mrs. Mandeep, that we don't want they should empty mind as devil's workshop. So we have set their system in this way that they learn gatka, they learn martial arts, defense art, they learn harmonium, tabla, guitar, violin, musical instruments, computer designing, web designing, so that they are busy.
Okay, so मैं अपनी audience ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਦੱਸ ਦੇਣਾ ਚਾਹਨੀ ਕਿ ਮਿਸ਼ਨਦੀਪ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਟਰਸਟ ਦੇ ਅੰਡਰ ਇੱਕ ਸਕੂਲ ਆ, ਮਿਸ਼ਨਦੀਪ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਕੂਲ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਗੁਰਸੀਮਾ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਬ੍ਰਾਂਚ ਹੈਡ ਨੇ। ਆਲਮੋਸਟ 500 ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਨੇ। ਮੇਰਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ is the school charging any fee also?
No, it is the NGO is run through the donation, but not even a single penny is taken from the children. We are supposed to provide them uniforms, we are supposed to provide them food, we are supposed to provide them copies and pens, and we are thankful to you because you, as already you have mentioned that the shoe campaign was there. There were many girls who newly just entered and we were not yet supplied them with the shoes. But that was such a grateful act of yours, because I was finding in the assembly when everyone was standing, they were looking so good wearing the shoes. And you can't imagine the poverty is to such extent, ma'am. One of the boys said, ma'am, I would not like to wear the shoes. I said, why? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮੈਡਮ ਜੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾ ਸਾਹ ਘੁੱਟਦਾ। मैं क्या सा क्यों कहने मैम मैं तो नंगे पैर ही रहंदा सी ना, कदी शूज पाए नहीं. And you know, my eyes were filled with tears. I was so much thankful. I said, if Mandeep ma'am would not have done this favor, this boy would never have experienced what you feel wearing the shoes. So I said, you will be discomfort, you will be having the discomfort for a day or so. then we'll be okay. So you can imagine how much poverty is there in our country.
Yeah, bilkul. So how the different families can associate with the kids studying in the school, how they can contribute?
Ma'am, they can adopt the one child for the education. Adoption of the one child for the education, that sums up to be 2,500 if a child is residential, if he stays with us. But for education, we require only 500 rupees. So if 500 rupees per month. So if a family says, ki, okay, I would like to sponsor the education of a girl, just the education, they can transfer 500 rupees every month in our account and one girl will study. But if someone says, I would like to sponsor the entire living of a child with the education, so that breakfast, lunch, dinner, and the medicines and the dresses, whatever, that sums up to be 2,000 plus. So in this way, the NGO is working with the support of the people around.
So I think बहुत सारियां families ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਟਰਸਟ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜ ਸਕਦੀਆਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਜਿਹਾ ਤਰੀਕਾ ਹੈ ਇਸੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ ਕਿ they are working in a very organized manner. If anybody wants to sponsor the education of any child, they can contribute with only rupees 500. So say 500 per month.
And ma'am, I would like to share, on that day, this BBK girls came, BBK college girls came for a campaign. And when I said ki 500 rupees, but 2,500 for the living of the child, breakfast, lunch and dinner. But 500 कहंगे सिर्फ 500 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਬੱਚਾ ਪੜ ਲੇਗਾ ਲੈ ਮੈਮ 500 के तो हम पिज्जा खा लेते हैं. So I said, your single pizza will cost the education of the one girl child of the NGO. So they said, ma'am, it's so very cool that two of us can contribute 250 and we can adopt one girl. 100 kg atta is required, ma'am, per day. Because children are staying here, they are growing. So we are not providing them with food, but at least we want some nourished material should be given to them. So if someone says, ki, what will you do with money? So I always say, you stop giving money. You give atta, you give oil. Whatever if you still want to cook the food, you cook the food and you give them.
Right. When the students, they complete their 12th, the student 10th or 12th complete kar lenda, so what kind of vocational trainings are given to the students?
Ma'am, vocational training association under the Prachin Kala Kendra, students are getting the certified courses like of stitching course, like of you can say this musical instruments, harmonium, tabla, so that they can even approach to the government jobs in future. They will get that certified courses. So we have adopted this association and affiliation of this Prachin Kala Kendra, and there the girls and even the boys, whatever the percentage of boys we are having, they can also pursue the skill education. I would like to mention, we have also got the association with NIUS, National Institute of Open School. So the different courses and different, they are making certain art and craft things, they can get the certificate under all that.
Okay. So any story which is very close to your heart from the school?
Stories, many, but yeah, one I would like to share. There was one girl in my branch, very closely connected to me, and it just happened that she said, ki it's my sister's marriage, I have to go, ma'am. I said, it's okay, bacha, you go. And she was good in studies. See, we have children, ma'am, those are almost average. Or if any student can at least speak a single sentence in English, we feel that person is exceptionally good. Because bache kede ne sade ko, rickshaw wala da, maid da, gutter saaf karan wale, it's so difficult for them to be actually look educated. So one of them, my girl, she said that, okay, ma'am, I have to go. I said, go. And for a month, she couldn't turn back. After a month, she came and she was wearing chuda. I said, what is this, bacha? And a huge man, and the difference of age was very clear. I said, beta, what happened? She said, ma'am, my sister was supposed to get married with him, but because age difference was good, quite difference was there, and she wasn't interested. She just went away, left the home in the morning. My father said that I'm going to hang myself, and then my mother said, this is the only way that you sit in the marriage. And I said, you are not even, it's not your proper age. But then I was so helpless to, as she said, I just requested my in-laws, just make me allowed to go to Mission Deep and meet my ma'am once. So she came once and then she never returned back.
So like this is the lockdown period currently, and how you are making your kids aware and how you are in touch with your students now?
Ma'am, actually we have sent the students back to their residences, but few students, those who are, it's like not possible for them, and certain students have come to us through the government policies also, because like they found some girl child and they felt that they can't, and so now we have got the students here, but it's only who is very, very needy and is having not any home.
Right. What ways people can associate with Mission Deep? And I just want, again, you should come up with few areas where people can contribute. What kind of help the Mission Deep is looking for?
Ma'am, we look forward for everything. You can give flour, you can give atta, you can sponsor the education of one child, because we have got some new children and we are looking forward for the sponsors. Your donation you can leave in between. We will never force you because there is no government policies that we are following. Or if you are not, if you are like, you feel that money is, you would not like to donate, you can give food material, you can give copies, notebooks. And one more special thing which I want, I always say, I say celebrate your birthdays, your anniversaries with them, because we never celebrate their birthdays. They have never. One day, ma'am, a very posh family came, and once they came, and it's by God's grace, chalo, they were, I would not take the name because they are the quite famous family of this city. And they came in a big car, and my little girl standing said, ਇੰਨੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਕਾਰ ਤੇ ਆਏ ਨੇ, ਇੰਨਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੇਕ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜੋ ਟੀਵੀ 'ਚ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ. So this is what they pine for, all these things. And you know, when that girl was supposed to cut it, she called that little one, you come and we'll cut together. So she said, ma'am, मेरी birthday ਦੀ date ना change कर दो, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰ ਦੋ. I'll be celebrating my birthday with this didi only. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਅਗਲੇ ਸਾਲ ਵੀ ਆਣ. Now this is Mandeep, ma'am, we have got ample of things in our life. Cake is not a big thing. But that girl said, ma'am, मैं केक पहली बारी जिंदगी च कटिया है. I am 11 years old. मैं केक पहली बारी लाइफ विच कटिया है, और इन्ना वड्डा केक ही मैं पहली बारी देखिया है, और इन्नी वड्डी कार और इन्ने अच्छे लोकां दे नाल. She said they are you know, giving such a good fragrance. I said yes, they use perfumes.
So like, do people volunteer too, like to teach in your school, or to participate in some way, or they help kids to learn some skills?
Yes, of course. Many people, I always say, youngsters came, they said, ma'am, we are supposed to go to abroad, सानू certificate दे दो. मैं कहा देखो certificate है तो ऐसे sale नहीं करते, you do something. I said, you know, she was very good in art and craft. I said, make them teach art and craft. The other boy was there. He said, I'm good in computer skills. I said, you give at least your 15 days, daily 30 to 35 minutes, and I'll give you the certificate that you have conducted a workshop. So anyone is invited. You can come to conduct, personality development seminar with my girls. At least they will learn a lot from you. I'm looking forward for that day when you will be my guest. We'll be honored that my girls could listen to you, and they will get that drive that to do something and become like you.
So like, how Mission Deep has changed your life?
Totally changed, ma'am. Because, you know, I told you that I am from a family which is, by God's grace, a very good family, sound family, Vaheguru di Mehr hai. All my brothers, sisters, either they are doctors or engineers or civil officers. One is an two are IAS officers, one is a PCS officer. So things are so we have been living in a totally different world. And you can't imagine, because I was a psychology student, I was doing the counseling of one of the child. मैं वो मुंडे नु किया, मैं के बेटा बड़े होके की बनेगा? And you know, इन्ने टोर ना मेनू की कहना, मैम, madam ji, truck driver. And I was like, oh my God, we are taking money from people to make you truck driver. I shouted upon the class teacher, मैं के तुसी इन्हू कदी my aim in life नहीं कराया होएगा, ताई इन्हू कुछ पता नहीं. ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮੈਡਮ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਗੱਲ ਤੇ ਕਰੋ. ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦੇਖੋ, ਇਹਦਾ ਫਾਦਰ ਜੋ ਹੈ, ਹੀ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਰਿਕਸ਼ਾ ਵਾਲਾ ਪੁਲਰ, ਐਂਡ ਯੂ ਟਾਕ ਟੂ ਹਿਮ. ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਟਾਕ ਟੂ ਦੈਟ ਚਾਈਲਡ. ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਪਾਪਾ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮੈਡਮ ਜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਰਿਕਸ਼ਾ ਚਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਪਰ ਨਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਉਮਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਟੀਬੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ. ਟੀਬੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਖਾਂਸੀ ਬੜੀ ਆਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਰਿਕਸ਼ਾ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਰਿਕਸ਼ਾ ਵੀ ਵਿਕ ਗਿਆ. ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਡੈਡੀ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਮੈਂ ਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਪੜ ਕੇ ਵੱਡਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਟਰੱਕ ਲਵਾਂਗਾ ਇੰਜਨ ਵਾਲਾ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ. And you know, my heart was sinking when he was saying कि मैं truck driver बनना. मैंने गुस्सा इन्ना आ रहा से अपने teachers पे कि तुसी कदी इन्हां वैसे नहीं कराया my aim in life. But then the story behind the curtain was totally different, ma'am. ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਛੋਟਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਰਿਕਸ਼ਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਸੀ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਵਿਕ ਗਿਆ. ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਮੈਡਮ ਜੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ 'ਚ ਟਰੱਕ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਤੇ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਟੌਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ ਸਾਡੀ. And you know, it will take ages, ma'am, to change these families. Mission Deep has also given me this like of poetry. I was so much connected to these roots of these children that it made me sensitive, because you can't write poetry without being sensitive. So I wrote the first one, that was daughter. Blessed are the parents who have her. Yes, she's a daughter. So because people used to leave their daughters here. चार बेटियां जिन्हां दियां ठीक है जी मिशन दी परे पढ़ांदे पे जाओ छड्ड आओ. And you know, we were so much honored, but for them girls were the burden. So I used to feel ki hi, blessed are the parents who have her. Yes, she's a daughter. Please support wherever there is a genuine need. Just open your eyes and don't take the things ki sab jagah kharab hunda hai, eda matlab sab jagah hi kharab hunda hai. No, there are places that are actually working for the right and they need the help. So come and meet. If I talk about my NGO, I'll say कि please come and meet at least 2 students, and they feel so happy when some guests come to meet them, because their parents, they don't come, Mandeep ma'am, and the girls keep on waiting for 3 to 4 months. 4 महीने हो गए, मम्मी नहीं आई, एक बारी फोन भी नहीं करते, फोन ਲਈ 2 रुपए नहीं खर्चने, आन ਲਈ की मैडम जी 60 रुपए किराया लग जाता, 60 रुपए किथों देईए ਅਸੀਂ? They have got so much of poverty, ਸਾਰਾ ਦਿਨ ਇੱਕ ਚਾਰ ਦੀਵਾਰੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੰਦ, that becomes very difficult. I am thankful to people, those who are supporting, like some of the restaurants, those who have given us street parties, like once a month we can send 5 girls to the party. They will serve noodles or whatever they want. But this is again eye opener for my girls, ma'am, because जो चीज उन्होंने कभी देखी नहीं है, जो औरा कभी देखिया नहीं, जिस जगह ते one of the girls said, कहंदी आज मैं उत्थे होके आई हां जिथे रेस्टोरेंट ते ना मेरे मम्मी पोचा लगांदे सी, ते पर मैं तो उत्थे टेबल चेयर ते बैठ के खा के आई, मैनू उन्होंने पूछा हुण तुसी की लोगे, हुण तुसी की लोगे, मैनू 3 बारी पूछा उन्होंने. So this is what, ma'am, like the all the hotel industry, those who are supporting us, maybe the Taj Swarna, Hyatt and this other, they all are helping us so that these girls can get the better aura. So I am thankful to all the people. And message I want to give, that please be sensitive and look around and share your joys. Because ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦੁੱਖ ਵੰਡਣ ਨਾਲ ਕੱਟਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਵੰਡਣ ਨਾਲ ਵੱਧਦੀਆਂ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਵੰਡੋਗੇ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਵਧੇਗਾ. You can't imagine, ma'am, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਦੀ ਆਪਣਾ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਮਨਾਉਣ ਆਣਾ, if they know ਨਾ one day before ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਮਨਾਉਣ ਆਣਾ, they make the cards. ਉਹ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕਾਰਡਸ ਬਣਾਏ ਹੋਣਗੇ. ਉਸ ਦਿਨ ਸਪ੍ਰਿੰਗਡੇਲ ਦੇ ਟੀਚਰ ਆਏ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇੰਨੇ ਕਾਰਡਸ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਬਣਾ ਦਿੱਤੇ. ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ because a day before they were aware you're going to come, they were so excited. So ਮੈਮ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਰੰਗ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੋਵੋਗੇ ਉਸੇ ਰੰਗ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੰਗ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਬੱਚੇ. They are so pure hearts.
Right. So thank you so much, Gurseema.
I am thankful to you, ma'am, that you have given me this opportunity, and it's first time that this sort of thing has happened. And I address you in my campus. I address you as an iron lady who has, actually set up such an example in the town. From the Tangra village, when you talk about village means a village. And a lady coming from the village, and I am honored to be at your show. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਸੀ ਗੁਰਸੀਮਾ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਕੌਰ. ਅਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਜ ਸਿੱਖੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਐਂਡ ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ 'ਚ ਕਿ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਦੇ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਆਇਆ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਗਰਲ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕਰੀਏ. ਸੋ ਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਥਰੂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਜਸਟ 500 ਰੁਪੀਜ਼ ਪਰ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੀ ਕਾਸਟ ਆ ਪਰ ਮੰਥ, and kid can have a proper education in his life. So I think ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਅੱਛੇ ਕਾਜ਼ ਨਾਲ. ਮੈਂ ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੀ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਇਸ ਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਦੀਪ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਨਗੇ. ਤੇ I really appreciate the efforts of the organization and the efforts of ਗੁਰਸੀਮਾ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ. ਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਅੱਜ ਗੁਰਸੀਮਾ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗਾ. ਲਾਸਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਮੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹਾਂਗੀ ਕਿ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਗੁਰਸੀਮਾ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਇੱਕ NGO ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਉਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ women ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਆਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ, and they should also work for the NGOs and they should also support various cause. So ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀ ਜੌਬ ਕਰਦੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਘਰ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਬਟ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ NGO ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਵੋਲੰਟੀਅਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. ਈਵਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਦੀਪ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਵੋਲੰਟੀਅਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ ਲੈਣਾ ਚਾਹਾਂਗੀ. ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਮਚ ਫॉर ਵਾਚਿੰਗ ਦਿਸ ਸ਼ੋ. ਮਨਦੀਪ ਕੌਰ ਸਿੱਧੂ.